people downtown. What a blessing it's going to be to us to give it to them. We're going to Sam's to pick up some chips and to get some socks. So if they need some warm socks, dry, clean socks, they'll have some. Then we're headed over to Chick-fil-A to get about 40 sandwiches. So maybe we can fill their bellies up for tonight. We're going into Sam's, load up our cart, come back, put it in the car, and then we'll be off on our mission to pick up our sandwiches. We're going to get socks, we're going to get some chips, maybe something sweet. Gave them some stuff and they told us to go down here. Maybe we can find somebody else, so that's where we're going to be headed to.
Really appreciate them, man. You know, sometimes people out here don't look out for people, man. You got us something good to eat, a pair of socks, you know, something to snack on. And we thank God for this, man. Thank God.
We've had a great day today. Helped lots of people. They've been very thankful for everything we've done for them. And it's, you know, it really touches you. It gives you a blessing to be able to help them. And they each said it's a blessing to them that they got something. So we'll be doing it again soon.